Welcome back. Today we're building a simple, reusable navigation menu in Notion that you can drop at the top of any page and keep perfectly in sync everywhere. This is great if you want quick access to your most used areas like a home dashboard, tasks, notes, or a calendar, and you don't want to rebuild the same links on every page. We'll start by creating the structure. Then we'll convert it into a synced block so any changes update across your workspace automatically. Start on any page where you want the menu to live. Create a callout by typing a /, then the word callout, and press enter. A callout is a neat container with a small icon that makes your menu stand out visually. Give the callout a short title, something like navigation or menu, so it's obvious what it is at a glance. If you like, pick an icon that reinforces the idea of a menu, such as a compass or a bookmark. Inside the callout, start typing the names of the pages you want to include. Keep them concise and match the actual page titles in your workspace, so searching and linking is straightforward. For example, you might list home on one line, then tasks, notes, and calendar, each on their own line. You're just laying out the labels now. We'll turn them into links next. Once those names are in place, turn each one into a working link that points to the real page. Highlight the first page name inside the callout. Type a /, then link to page, and press enter. A small search window appears where you can look up the matching page from your workspace. Select the correct page, and Notion will convert the highlighted text into a proper link. If you already have a specific page's link copied, you can simply paste it over the highlighted text to achieve the same result. Move down the list and repeat this for each item in your menu. The goal is to make sure each label now opens the correct destination when clicked. When you're done, give the links a quick test by clicking them to confirm they open the intended pages. If one points somewhere unexpected, just highlight it again and use the link to page command to correct it. With the basic menu built and fully linked, the final step is to make it global, so it shows up at the top of other pages and stays updated everywhere. Hover your cursor over the left edge of the callout until you see the 6 dots icon. Click it to open the block menu. Choose Turn into Synced Block. You'll notice a red outline appear around the block, which indicates it's now synced. That means there's a single, shared version of this menu, and any change you make to one instance will appear in all other instances automatically. Click the Copy and Sync button, or copy the synced block's link if you prefer. Then go to another page where you want quick access to your navigation. Place your cursor at the top of that page and paste. The synced menu appears with the same content and the same red outline. Repeat this on every page where you want the navigation bar to be visible. From now on, if you add a new link, rename a page, or remove an item inside any copy of the synced menu, every other copy will update without you lifting another finger. A few finishing touches can make your menu even clearer. Keep the title short and descriptive so it doesn't take up more space than necessary. Stick to consistent formatting, like each link on its own line, so your eye can scan quickly. If you used an icon in the callout, pick something that is easy to recognize at a small size. The goal is to make the navigation easy to spot and effortless to use, without distracting from the content of your page. If your list gets long, consider grouping related pages on separate lines with a bit of spacing so it still feels tidy. And remember, you don't need to recreate the menu later. Just edit one synced instance, and the rest will follow. As you use this setup, you'll notice how much faster it is to move around your workspace. Instead of hunting through sidebars or opening a bunch of tabs, your most important pages are always one click away, right where you expect them. This also helps create a consistent experience if you share pages with collaborators. When they open a document, they'll see the same familiar menu at the top and can jump to the right places immediately. To recap everything we did, we created a callout to serve as a visual container, gave it a clear title and icon, listed the page names we want to access, turned each name into a link using the link to page command, or by pasting an existing link, and finally converted the entire callout into a synced block. After that, we pasted the synced block at the top of every page, where we want that navigation to appear. From there on, updates to the menu happen in one place and propagate everywhere. If you found value in this walkthrough, tapping the like button helps more people discover these tips. And we're always looking to improve. Share a quick note in the comments with what worked well for you or what you'd like to see us cover next time. We read every message, and your feedback directly shapes what we build in future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined Notion navigation.